How's it going, everyone? It's Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be several things. Let's see. It's mainly about Rick Zink's daughter, the tribute built to Veronica. I'm going to show an update on it, and then Xavier for our Formula One buddy build. I'm going to be switching cars, so the one that I was going to build, if you want it, give me your address, get a hold of me, and I'll send it to you. If you just need to get a hold of Tamaya, which I have the number, you can order that one little pipe that goes to it, and I decided to just change my mind on that car, and I'm just going to build a Jim Clark car. So, but that being said, I'll show it here in a second. And I just got a couple of hobby shop ads that ain't much, and then a flea market find or antique shop find that I'll show y'all here in just a second. But before I get started, I want to thank all my subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel. I appreciate y'all, love y'all, thank you. To all my old subscribers and new subscribers. And if you ain't a subscriber, please think about hitting that bell, and it's free. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to save the Veronica for last. Since I'm right here, let's just go ahead and start this out. I'm going to say Xavier. I haven't heard from you in a while since I had to postpone our buddy build, but this one's just about to be done here within another week. We can get back on our Formula One buddy build, but you know, the car that I was building, like I said, the reason why I stopped, which I didn't get very far on it anyway, so was the exhaust pipe. One of the pipes were missing, and you could order that from Tamaya. I just hadn't had time. I ain't messed with it. So with that being said, I'm just going to gift that to you if you want it. So I know you like the newer ones anyway, and this will be the one that I'm going to build. This is the Lotus 25, and it's the Coventry Climax, and that was actual Jim Clark car, which it don't say it on here, but Jim Clark. He was one of my favorite, if not my favorite, Formula One driver of all time, even though, you know, I wasn't alive when he was around. He died in 67, and I think 67 in Germany. I think it was 67 in Germany. I was born in 71, so, you know, but still, his legacy lives on. I like to buy and build any Jim Clark cars there is. So this is going to be the one for our buddy build, and this is one I'm going to switch to. So as soon as I get done for Veronica's build, I'm on it. I'd like to have it done within a couple weeks. I don't know if I will for the hobby show, but it is what it is. If I don't, I don't. If I do, I do. But, okay. And this is just I just thought it was neat because it's the first time I seen it pop up at our Hobby Lobby anyway, and I just bought one of them. You can't go wrong with that. I think James Tester even built this a good while back. And this one here was, you know, 1 out of every 12 was the metallic gold. Well, it was molded in white, so I'm not a winner. No winner chicken dinner for me, but hey, still a cool car. I know it ain't much to, you know, show, but that's. And then I went ahead and bought another one of these. I had to, you know. I got the one me and Justin will be building sometime soon from J Hart Models, but I had to have another one. I love these things. This new tooling with the engine, you can't beat that. So now I got 2 of them. And then for the, I always tell you guys, I always tell you, hit your antique shops, your flea markets. Don't matter how many times you hit them. There's always going to be something different. You might go through a dry spell and not find nothing for a long time, but then there's going to be the time you do. So that being said, let's see. I got 4 of them here. Let me start this out I got a AMT 62 Ford Thunderbird promo. 1962, if that will come in good. I don't know if my camera's going to focus or not, but you can see right there. I even got the original model kit, the actual AMT annual model kit of this with the engine and all that stuff still in the box, but I thought that'd be cool. The promo, $25. Let's see, this in here, let's do this in here, 1964 Thunderbird, and same thing, 25 bucks. It's in pretty good shape, you know, for as old as it is. These are good candidates to kind of paint up like a model kit instead of leaving them as actual promo. So that was a 64. This one here's a 65. And there's subtle differences in between these, the 64, 65, and 66. You got different emblems, different hub caps, just a lot of little differences that are totally different, that make them unique of their own. And then, like I said, that was the 65. And then this one here is the 66. You can see totally different grill than these two right here. Which these two grills are different too if you look at them. I don't know if my light's going to show up, but there's bars on this one to where the bars ain't on that one. There's totally difference between the hubcaps and the emblems and stuff like that. And then the hood even changed on this one to where it's got this style hood scoop on it. Hubcaps, of course, changed. The tail lights back here, stuff changed. So, I mean, but looking from the side, it almost looks the same. But the vents and stuff like that have changed. I don't know, guys, if y'all's going to be able to see with my lighting the way it is right now, but there's a difference between these three compared to that 62. But a lot of differences, guys. But tail lights are different. Everything's different about them. I give 25 a piece for all those. I thought, hey, why not? Like I said, I can restore these. I can paint them up like a model kit, or just restore them back to promo the way they were, or just leave them alone and let them sit on the shelf. In all reality, that's probably what's going to happen to them for a while. Is just sit in a shelf, you know, and stuff. But eventually, one of these days, you know, of course, everybody's got plans. Whether they get done or not, who knows, you know. I got all this plus a million more models here that you don't even see, that who knows if I'll ever get a chance to build them all. But I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Models are meant to be built. All right. I'm going to turn this sucker around and show you what I've gotten done on Veronica's Corvette. All right, guys. Hold on there for a minute. All right, guys. This is what I've gotten done so far on Veronica's Corvette. First, let me show you what Corvette I'm building. And it's this kit right here, the 1963 Customizing Corvette. You can see right there, stock. That's what I'm doing, stock. You know, her favorite color is purple, but I don't want to be like everybody else, and they're doing them purple Corvettes and stuff, so I'm doing the red. There's the side of it. That's not even rubbed or anything. I probably ain't going to rub it or do anything like that. I'm just going to chrome foil it and maybe put a clear coat on it or whatever. But that's it. And it's going to have the open. I'm going to have the headlights open. They're going to be positioned open. This is what I've gotten done on the chassis so far, which is not much. But, you know, that's, of course, it's a simple chassis anyway. The interior, I painted it's kind of a semi-gloss, not quite gloss, for the seats and, you know, and the door cards and stuff. But the rest of it, I'm going to put red carpet in it. I still have to detail up this center console. I'll have red carpet in it. It'll have the seat belts on it. I'll probably do a wash in there maybe or something. And then here's the dash, which is not done yet, which is supposed to be black with the chrome bezels and all that. The centerpiece here is supposed to be aluminum, which I'll paint that aluminum. Of course, the steering wheel, you know, here's your air breather to it. I got the engine over here, which I'm not done painting on the engine. As you can see right here, orange. Still got to do the oil filter. Still got to paint the starter. But there she is there. Of course, the little carburetor. I got the, if it'll focus, I got the exhaust here, the manifolds I still got to paint up. Like I said, it's not a whole lot to get done on this, but there ain't a lot to this kit either. Firewall, which is not finished yet. Just a lot of little stuff, but and two, this goes out to Joe and Tom Rambler 69. You see that right there? I know y'all make fun of the luggage racks, but I'm going to tell you right now, I wouldn't do that on my car in real life, but this is going to be a woman's car, and I have the suitcase that come with the kit, the original suitcase, and the little blanket pack, whatever it is. I don't know. It ain't a sleeping bag. I don't think. It might be a sleeping bag. I don't. But it's going to be on there, and I'm going to put it on the back because that's the vintage tree right there. Because for one thing, it's a woman's car, and most women, they would want a luggage rack on it because that's just how women are, most of them. So that's what I'm going to do. And here is the wheels. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's the original hubcaps. They got a black wash on them, and those are the decals right there. I peeled it, and believe it or not, as old as this kit is, from 1963, let me show you. Here is the decal, which you can see it had two rings. You had a smaller ring, you had the wider ring, and then you just got that little blank piece in the middle. I peeled those outer rings off, and that is what's on there. And they still stuck after all these years. It was heck getting it off this sheet right here. It was hard getting them off without breaking them and stuff, but I got them off. Stuck them to the original tires. You can see the tires are old. But they still stuck. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I still got my axles here, you know, of course. It's old AMT, no real detail to it. I've got the Chevy valve covers, aluminum. Like I said, guys, that's really all I've gotten done, but it don't look like I got much left, which it really don't have much left, because the main thing is just getting this chrome foiled. Probably put the black wash in between the panel lines, a panel line wash on it. Chrome foil, wire the engine up, finish painting what little bit, you know, paint the battery, just paint some stuff on it, and it should be getting ready to go together. But that'll be it on that. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.